Hello and welcome everyone. In this short tutorial I'm going to show you one of the basic Tunisian stitches, the Tunisian Full Stitch. This stitch is also known as Tunisian Mesh Stitch or Tunisian Goblin Stitch. This stitch is worked over 2-row repeat. So let's get right into it. This stitch is we are going to be working this stitch between the front vertical bars. So the first row we need to start with a stitch between the second and third vertical bar, like so. We put insert a hook from front to back between the front vertical bars, yarn over and pull up a loop. And we are going to be doing this into between each pair of the vertical bars right to the end. So we are going to be working between the bar, every single pair of bars, like so. All the way to the end. Okay, so we've got last 2 bars. Going to be working into the space between them, and then we will going to be working the end stitch, which is we insert the hook from right to left under the left and the right bars, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then we are going to be working standard return pass, so we need to chain 1, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way to the end. So this is your first row of the repeat. Okay, and then the second row we are going to be working between the first and the second vertical bar, and this is in order to prevent biasing, because if we were going to start between the second and third again, our work would be growing in a diagonal way. So what we are going to do, we are going to insert the hook from front to back between the first and second vertical bar, yarn over and pull up a loop, like so. And then we are going to be continuing working between the vertical bars as in the previous row. Okay, so we are going to be working a few more stitches to get right to the end. And on this second row we are actually going to be working, as you can see, we've got the last 3 bars before the end of the row. This is 1, 2 and 3. We are going to be working between these 2, and we are going to be skipping this last space. We worked into the last space in the previous row, but in the second row of the repeat we need to skip this. Okay, so we are now just going to be working the end stitch and then a return pass, just a standard return pass. Okay, and that's it. There you go. This is how you crochet the Tunisian full stitch. As you can see, the beautiful texture is already starting to show up. And the curl as well. As you can see, this stitch curls a lot. This would be the perfect stitch for cushion covers or for blankets, hats, maybe even scarves. Okay, there you go. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you at the next video. Bye bye.